General bookings is a screen you can use to book both income and expenditure, money in and money out, all in the same screen. So what you do is select your money account at the top, so the bank account that you're entering the transactions for. If you put a default date in the top, then it will use that date against any of the lines that don't have an effective date in this column here. So let's say we were doing April's transactions, and our default date so you'd enter the entry in here, and the types, this one's going to be expenditure, so it's the money paid out, and then the account code, so you can type the account code in or right click and select it from the list. And fund code, again, if you leave this blank, it will use whatever you put as a default at the top. So we could default in our general fund, so it would use that one. And if we move down to the next line, and again you'd fill the details in, so you've got a choice of either income, expenditure or transfer, so if you're doing a money transfer from one bank account to another. You can also mark them as automatically reconciled, so that you won't need to do a bank reconciliation. And if you were in the middle of entering this and you needed to come out but you hadn't finished recording it, you could use the store button down the bottom to store the entry and then recall it and complete the transaction and then record it. So it's just another way of entering your income and expenditure.